In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send follow-up emails in Streak CRM. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a personalized mail merge in Gmail and adding timed follow-ups that go out automatically, so you can stay top of mind without manual reminders. We'll start in Gmail with your Streak CRM enabled. First, choose who you're emailing. You can pull recipients directly from your Streak pipeline boxes, which is great if you've already organized leads or customers there. Streak will use the contact details stored in those boxes. Or, if your contacts live in a spreadsheet, upload a CSV. Make sure the column headers in your CSV match the fields you plan to personalize later, like first name, company, or any custom fields you have. Keeping your data clean here makes your messages feel personal and professional. Next, click the Mail Merge icon, the paper airplane, either from the pipeline toolbar or right inside the Gmail Compose window. This opens the Mail Merge workflow. Compose your first message and subject line just like a normal email, but add variables or placeholders for personalization. For example, you might greet contacts by their first name or reference their company. Variables automatically pull the correct information for each recipient, so the email feels tailored without extra work. Aim for a clear, friendly tone and make your ask specific, whether it's a quick reply, a call, or a link you want them to check. Now let's add follow-up emails. In the Mail Merge panel on the right, click Add Follow-up. Choose how many days to wait after the first email is sent. Think about your audience and the natural cadence of your outreach. Longer waits can feel respectful, while shorter waits keep momentum. Decide whether to count only business days or include all days. Business days help you avoid weekends, while all days can be useful if your recipients are active on weekends. Pick the time of day for the follow-up to send in your time zone. Choose a time you believe your recipients are most likely to read and respond. Then, write your follow-up message. Keep it short, reference your original email, and focus on value. You can add a gentle nudge, clarify your offer, or share a relevant resource to make replying easy. A slightly different subject line can help re-engage readers who missed the first message. That's it. You've selected recipients, opened Mail Merge, composed a personalized first email, and added a scheduled follow-up with your preferred timing and days. With this setup, Streak helps you stay consistent and professional with every outreach. Now you know how to send follow-up emails in Streak CRM.